Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hoping a fantastic day. Quick look here at XRP, seeing what's going on. My community asked me to cover this just because we did take a position here. We got a nice average down position where we're just above break even. So the question is, do you take profit or let it ride? Well, me personally, when I set a swing trade for XRP in general, it's always going to be a long-term hold because you never truly know where it's going to go. It marches to the beat of its own drum. I think we were joking about it being the only child earlier today, and that's so true. So just keep in mind, this coin has a propensity to do great things and also just be stuck on stupid for a long time too. So let's take a quick peek here at the liquidation levels. A lot of liquidation did occur here at about 5.5. That was that upper little sweep we just saw. But you can see the price kind of consolidating this most recent resistance. That's really common, very normal for that to occur. However, there's still more liquidation between 5.5 roughly and 5.6. Okay, so this is the last 7 days. Let's quickly note that I think they're going to see a lot different scenario here on the monthly. And just to clarify here, there's a heavy amount of concentration, about 5.8, 5.9, right in that range there. Okay, and that's where one of our profit targets is too, folks. So keep in mind, the likelihood of that is still quite high. While we do have some liquidation down below the price action, this 50 cent mark has been a very, very strong level for us. And I don't think there's a reason why we should expect the price to pull back to that level. It's been literally a long time since we've seen a price action below that range. Okay, so strong amount of support at lower levels. Let's go ahead and see if there's any other support and resistances here. Why don't we go ahead and take a quick look at the weekly and just verify a couple of things here. Okay, so to note, there is that 7.5 cents or 75 cents rather, sorry, is essentially a key level resistance there based on weekly closures. We've got a recent closure at about 5.58 cents as a close approximate. So 58 cents could be our next level. And then of course we look at the daily time frame. We can see of course here about 56 cents is a close approximate for the most recent high. Okay. So getting above 56 cents would be extremely important, but we can presume those are resistance levels. Now, why that's important now, it's probably not super important at this exact moment, but we do like to know that 56 and 75 cents, all those upper ranges are going to be eventual resistances. Okay, so we'll focus on that a little bit later. I like to kind of preface though that with us being up over 50 on the RSI for the last few days, that's a very positive sign. Money flow index is coming down. That's very standard for a daily time frame, especially when we have a lot more selling pressure in the last few days. Okay, so truth is though, we have a lot of volume here so far today, and that's an important factor that should be able to sustain the current price action. We've got a stochastic RSI swing to the upside. We've got a MACD potential MACD FU here, where the price is supposed to diverge, and contrary to that, it continues to converge. Right, it's a nice little FU right here. So I'm not saying that's exactly going to happen, but it's shaping up to look like that if the price continues higher. And if Bitcoin can hold the 53.5, 53,000 mark, I think we're going to probably be able to see something along those lines here moving forward for XRP. So all things said and done here, daily time frame, if you look at the moving averages, is mildly bullish. Okay, we're under the 200-day SMA and the 100-day as well. So once again, that 5.6 range to 5.5, heavy amount of resistance for us. So I would not expect the price action to just break out and explode. Some of my community members were asking, hey, when is this coin going to take off? Well, truth is we never truly know. While most coins are mildly predictable, XRP really isn't. It just has a lot of good patterns, a lot of good support. So when we took our trade, there's confidence there the price is going to continue higher, and I still feel like it will. But the TA right now is telling us that, hey, we're tentatively bullish on the daily. 4-hour time frame getting tentatively rejected by the 50-day SMA. If we get a closure, I would say above this volume profile, about 54.6 roughly, then we're going to be in pretty decent shape. Once again, that's a 0.5 Fibonacci level there, at 0.382, that's 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and that should be very important for us to close over that. Main reason why, most recent resistance level, the price could not cross that level. Now that we're above it, if we close above it, we can presume the price could continue higher because that's the new support. That's generally how it works. And the reason why that occurs is because, bulls and bears are consistently trying to push price action in either direction. Once you pass this threshold, now all the bears are trying to be bullish, and they switch the mentality and they push the price action up to the next key level resistance, which could be 55.5, or sorry, 55.2, 55.8. We'll keep an eye on those things here, but with us being up over 50 on the RSI, stochastic RSI swinging up, and money flow index increasing, these are all positive contributing factors. Okay. MACD is converging as well in the 4 hours, so all the more reason why holding this level here at about 54 point, let's round up and say 54.6 is a very important level for us. Okay, so I think we're going to be in pretty good shape if we close above that. And when I say close, I mean like preferably a daily closure. Obviously 4-hour would be helpful, but if you look at a 24-hour closure, it's more impactful because that means the bulls controlled that 24-hour period, not just a briefer 4-hour period. Looking at the hourly, we can kind of see this coming down here. So to me, hypothetically, a long at the current price point or just a little bit lower makes sense. Once again, that's just me personally, being more of a swing trader. I'm not literally looking to try to scalp this right now. We do have a scalping bot in our Premium Plus group, which does scalp XRP, but generally speaking, at this point, I would say wait for confirmation at that level. If we can hold that level, price will likely go higher. So taking a quick look here at Ichimoku Cloud, we can confirm the cloud is also averaging itself out this upper range at 54.6. So once more confirmation letting us know that a position at that level might be warranted. I say might be because we are rejecting out the 200-day SMA. We got some moving averages right in this range here, so it's not like an open free scenario here, but the truth is we can see a lot of volume here just below the price action. That's a great sign because we haven't been above this price in quite a few days, right? So it's been about 4 or 5 days since we've been up at this level. So to me, personally, with everything here that we're seeing so far, I think we're looking pretty solid. We're not overextended by any stretch. The price still has plenty of room to run. So once more, I'm leaning more towards a long versus a short on this coin. But I'm also letting you know, too, that with it, the coin is running from here, it seems pretty low probability based on where we're at in the market. So just friendly advice, be careful no matter what trade you take, low leverage, low position sizing. Because if Bitcoin does pull back, we could very well see a pullback from XRP. There's no doubt about that. But I think if Bitcoin can maintain its current price point, all these things are going to start slowly coming into play here, and XRP has more propensity to increase than decrease. Okay. Again, if you want to trade XRP, obviously jumping over to Bitunix, phenomenal exchange, link down below. Highly recommend using them just because our community absolutely loves it. No KYC, again, VPN requirements. Nice rewards too if you decide to use the link to register. We got some trading competitions coming up here for only those who have used my link. So exciting stuff there, folks. Thanks again for the awesome feedback. Thank you also for liking, subscribing, and following if you haven't already. Deeply appreciate that. We do look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you.